Actually, I think this is very underrated because ang makikater niya lang talaga is the lighter skin tone. So, let's use it. Shade ko na talaga siya, oh. But pag nag-front view naman ako, may shadow siyang nagagawa, eh. Ayan siya, oh, shocks. And ito yung shade niya, itself, very latte. Latte, I mean, very, alam mo yung mga latte type of coffee. Ganun siya. Blend ko lang siya with the brush that comes with the other side. Actually, may nakikreate siyang shadow with my face eh. Oh. Tama na may shadow here, oh. Alam mo, super helpful din talaga ng brush on the other side. Kasi, pag tinatamad ako maglaban ng brush, and then hindi palaba yung brush ko, so I can use this. And by the way, this is a retractable brush. So, pwede mo siyang labhan din talaga. I think this contour will really work with lighter skin tone para at least mas mag-show up yung color. But if you want to go like the full extreme contour, go for dusk. Kasi dusk talaga is the contour shade. And then a little goes a long way with this one. Ayan. Kita nyo. And then blend ko lang siya. Ayan siya. Oh, shucks. Oh, shucks. Ito ba? Oh my God. Oh my God. That's contour. Nakakalok ang contour. Ayan ang contour, sis. This will work for medium, light medium, and then dark, deep girlies out there. And I super love using this for my nose. Tanyo, makikita nyo yung effect with this one. Oh, shucks talaga. Oh, easy nose contour. Easy nose contour, shucks. Blend mo lang siya. Wala na. Tinapos na ang laban. These are the contour sticks from Vice Cosmetics. I mean, perfect.